Hey guys, I'm Alec.
And I'm Kurt.
And today for Tasting Thursday, we're going to be trying a couple of sparkling beverages from our friends at Devilfoot Beverage Company up in Asheville, North Carolina. First one we're going to be trying is the Future So Bright Lemonade. Yes. All right, nothing says summer like a nice, refreshing lemonade.
Amen.
Cheers.
Really good. Really good. Their cans are pretty awesome. They actually spell out everything with the all-natural ingredients. So both are almost the exact same, other than obviously the lemon juice and limeade. It says filtered water, fresh squeezed organic lemon juice, organic cane sugar, and regional honey from Asheville. So
Love those fresh ingredients.
so good.
So let's try the limeade
Try
next.
Cheers. Cheers. Wow. Really good. Really good. Yeah. So the site says that they're actually pretty good as mixers. So those of you who like to take something that's a little bit sparkling, maybe mix it with a vodka or something for the pool, these would probably be fantastic for that. So great stuff. So appreciate the folks at Devil's Foot for letting us try these. Tune in next Thursday as we try another beverage or food item. As always, leave your comments below. We look forward to hearing from you.
Thanks, guys.